Awesome. So you finally shipped some boxes to Amazon FBA warehouse. Amazon receives it, but there's some discrepancies. So probably you shipped, let's say, 50 items, but then Amazon is saying they only received 45. So there's definitely a discrepancy there. In this video, we're going to talk about how to solve discrepancies in your Amazon FBA shipment. What's up, guys? It's your boy Ricky Ross, back with another video. For those of you out there who don't know who I am, I go by Ricky Ross, Amazon Germany seller. Been doing this for quite some time, and I do offer a mentorship program. If you're interested, my email will be in the description down below. So we're going to jump into this video. We're going to jump into my computer. We're going to go straight into it. I did have a shipment recently. I sent 500 units to Amazon, and they claimed not to get none of it. It was zero units were not received. I was able to resolve it, but we're not going to talk about that. I'm not going to show you that because that's already resolved. I do have a shipment that shows that one of the units I sent was not received. So we're going to jump into my computer and we're going to try to solve that. And I hope that helps somebody out there who has the same issue. Let's go. Now we're in my computer. So in order to go or get to the shipment, you simply need to go to your menu, go to inventory and click on shipment. And it should bring you right here where you see the shipment. Okay. And once you scroll down, you'll see all your shipments here. This is all the shipments I've done. I did have a shipment where it was 500 units. Okay, so let me explain what we see here. So here, for example, it shows 25 units were expected, and Amazon located 25 units. Okay, that's what the top says, units expected, and the lower part is units located. Okay, so here's where you need to focus on this numbers. So I'm going to go to one here that has a discrepancy. So here the units expected was 290, but then they claim to have received 289. Okay. So I'm not going to go into the shipment by clicking on the shipment ID number, and it should bring you here. Okay. And as you can see, this is how you track. As you can see, this is how you track the shipment. Okay. Amazon received this. Well, the shipment was created on the 25th of September. And they did not receive it till roughly around they finally received everything by the 16th of October. Okay. But here on the 30th of October, it says shipment closed with discrepancies. Okay. It says here that they had some discrepancies. Now I can click go to the content tab to reconcile the discrepancies. I can click here, or I can just click on this content tab here. Either way, it takes me to the same spot. Okay. So here it shows Amazon has received your shipment and a discrepancy has been found in one or more of your items. It says review the details and status of each discrepancy below. So now I'm going to go here, and I see they were expecting 132 units, and it says 131 was received, and there's a discrepancy of 1. So I'm going to simply go to action required, and I'm going to click on research missing units. Okay. And what you need to do here is you need to go ahead and upload the invoice. So I'm going to choose file. So I have to look for this file, guys. Give me a second. Okay, guys. So basically, I have uploaded the file, the invoice here. What I need to do next, I've chosen the file rather, and now I need to click upload file. And Now the file has been uploaded. The invoice has been uploaded. Now, what I want to do here, I want to write something here that will sort of like tell Amazon or guide them to basically look deeper into the document I've sent to them. Okay, guys, so what I want to do here is I want to tell Amazon to focus. I'm going to give them a small instruction to please, I'm going to tell them please look at line number 1, article 3020 on the invoice. So what I wrote here is basically on the invoice which I sent to them. So I just told them, please look at line number 1, article 3020 on the invoice. So this will help them locate the product that is missing, that they claim one is missing. According to them, I sent 131 or 131, but then I know I sent 132. Your invoice must show at least 132 so that they see that, yes, indeed, that you had this amount to send to them. So that's what I did with the invoice. And the invoice must be dated. The invoice must be dated prior to this date, the 25th of September, either on this date or prior to this date. So the invoice I have, or the invoice I uploaded, is dated 10th of September. I think it is 10th of September. So that works fine. So this invoice works okay. I've given them the instruction. I'm going to click preview your request. And they have the request here and my comment here. So I'm going to submit, and they've created a case number for me. So that's how I will follow through on this incident. And that's pretty much it. You just need to wait once you've submitted the case. You just simply need to wait till they respond back to you. As you can see, it says case submitted here, so that I'm good to go on this particular issue with this particular product. That's pretty much it, guys. Pretty much it. That's just how you solve a discrepancy if Amazon has lost or has told you that some of the items you sent is missing. That's just how you go about getting them to resolve it. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you have any either suggestions or comments, or maybe I missed something, please put your comment in the comment section. Like I always say, sharing is caring. Please share this with someone who might need it or who it might help. And also subscribe, like, and share the channel. That helps us grow. I truly appreciate it. I go by Ricky Ross, Amazon Germany seller, and I'm out.